Welcome, dear children. Geography, Standard 7th, Lesson number 9, Agriculture, Part 4. Horticulture, Floriculture. Cultivation of flowers and fruits is a subtype of market gardening. Fruits and flowers are the major products of this type of farming. In this type of farming, modern as well as traditional methods are used. The size of farms is small and every plant is cared for properly. In recent times, use of irrigation, chemical fertilizers, greenhouses, etc. is being made for getting more profit. Major products of horticulture are flowers like lily, gerbera, tulip, dahlia, chrysanthemum, marigold, etc. These fetch a good price in the market. Different native and exotic fruits like mangoes, custard apples, grapes, bananas, pomegranates, dragon fruits, cherries, oranges, raspberries, strawberries, mulberries, etc. are cultivated in fruit farming at places like Mahabaleshwar, Panchgani, Pune, Nagpur, Jalgaon, Nashik, etc. Countries having Mediterranean climate, France and Italy are famous for horticulture. Agrotourism. Agrotourism is a new field in tourism. In the tropics, various types of agricultural products are cultivated. Hence, there is greater scope for agrotourism. In agrarian countries, the rural life, local customs, and culture are utilized for agrotourism. City dwellers are curious about the farmer's life and environment. Many of them visit rural areas just to see this. Agrotourism is financially beneficial for the farmer and his village. Observe the pictures of some fruits and vegetables in this figure and choose one in each pair. You may have realized that those fruits and vegetables that look fresh and attractive may not have been ripening using proper methods. At times, in order to get the produce earlier, artificial chemicals, pesticides are employed profusely. These facilitate quicker production and the produce appears fresh and attractive. However, such products are harmful to health. Also, they do not last long after purchase. Marketing systems. Marketing systems are necessary for making the goods produced by the farmers available to the consumer at a fair price and in time. The importance of marketing system in countries like India will become clear from the following points. Agriculture in India is scattered over vast areas. All farmers are not organized. Most of the farmers are economically weak and cannot market their production on their own. That is why the system of agricultural produce market committees is established at the taluka level. At these places, farmers bring their produce and sell to the traders. As farm produce is perishable, there has to be a proper arrangement for its sale. Institutes like farmers' organizations, consumer societies, etc., help in this task and try to protect farmers from the exploitation by agents, mediators, and others. Some of the farm produce is directly used by industries as raw material. International markets are now becoming easily available for farm produce due to globalization. Many progressive farmers are using the modern technology in their farms. Also, they sell the produce with proper packaging. Hotels and malls also require agricultural produce on a large scale. By advertising on the internet, their products get sold in local as well as international markets. Thank you.